So Notion just acquired a startup called Embra. The application was relatively simple in its idea. The idea was you take meeting notes and connectors, and then after the meeting, you're able to chat with an AI assistant, connect agents, and do small automations after the meeting. Sound pretty simple. There are lots of these type of apps like Granola, Fellow, and many more. But the concept was a little bit deeper. They were trying to pull more context points and build a context graph around the network. Hence why they placed it as a workspace OS type of tool and improve the quality of your meeting notes. Now, Notion have been going down a similar route. They've been trying to press more on AI agents and also AI meeting notes too, so you can see why they may be interested in a software like this. Now, a few days ago, Zach Trata, apologies if I've got his name wrong, announced that he's thrilled to be joining Notion. He stated that he spent the last 3 years building a graph context engine to power B2B AI. It followed up with a tweet from the CEO of Notion, Ivan, who said that context is everything when it comes to AI, and they're excited to start building this through. Now, it's really interesting here. He also sort of stated here that Zach will be taking over the meeting notes department, and Zach's bio also updated to AI at Notion. So it's likely, very much like other acquisitions, that Zach will become the head of AI meeting notes at Notion and likely connectors as well. So I want to look at the acquisition pattern of Notion just to give you an idea of what they've bought in the past and also how it could correlate to the future. Before we do that, today's video is sponsored by Sunsama. If you've not yet tried it, it's a great way to reduce burnout. It helps you to take your task management more seriously, still using AI to help auto-schedule your tasks. You can check out on the link in the description. I used it for many years and I found it a great way to keep calmer when managing your tasks. So check it out in the link in the description. So looking at Notion's acquisition pattern, it dated all the way back to 2021, I believe it was, when they acquired Automate. This was essentially a Zapier type competitor that was a workflow automation tool that helped you to connect dots together. They also acquired Cron, which helped them to build Cron Calendar and obviously then became Notion Calendar. And in 2024, Campsite, which has yet been revealed whether that's going to be part of Notion's product lineup. Now, it seems like they're sort of doing a acqui-hire type thing where they bring on great people that are already working on fantastic tools that complement the design, function, and vision of Notion, and bringing them in-house but enhancing their existing lineup. Now, I'm still pretty certain that Notion are probably going to take on Slack in some sort of way with a type of competitor that really tries to enhance how you're doing stuff with AI. But how does Embra's acquisition correlate to the meeting notes? Well, it's very likely your Notion meeting notes are going to get dramatically better. They've now got someone sort of spearheading the way with this type of thing, and the context awareness around agents, the actual context connectors, and much more is only going to get better in Notion. All in all, Notion is clearly building something much bigger and bolder than just a note-taking app these days. It's building a workforce that has dedicated tools that will enhance what you've got inside it and be as good, potentially, as apps that are leading in the market right now. Make sure to check out toolfinder.co if you're looking to save on great software, and you can find it linked below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for all the latest AI news and tools.